Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips for the OPPO F23. So first of all, we can start with this photo mode, and if you want to get more details on the photos, I would recommend you to click on these three lines and then select high resolution mode. Right now, as you can see, we turn on the 64 megapixel mode, and when you take the photo, for example like this one, you will get more details on the photos. So right now, just take a look. As you can see, we can zoom in very close and find more details than using the standard photo mode. You can also take the photos by using the volume up or down buttons. Take a look. And you can also click and hold volume up to take series of the photos, but you have to first of all remove this high resolution mode. And you can take 20 photos in each series. You can also use very cool microscope mode. So take a look. When you turn it on, we can take a look, for example, for some details of this button. So you can basically check the structure. Maybe that's not the best example because there's a flashlight turned on. Let's take a look on my skin. We can also go to the 40 times, and right now we can go even closer. We can also take a look for some hairs on my hands. So yeah, as you can see, that's crazy amount of details, and it's definitely more useful than the useless 2 megapixel macro lenses in the smartphones, right? Here we can go very close and get a lot of details. And the next tip that you can use, for example, you can enable camera timer for 3 or 10 seconds. And when you want to record videos from the two cameras at the same time, so from the selfie and the rear camera, you can simply go for this dual view video mode. So we have to go for the more modes, select dual video, and there you can shoot videos from the two cameras at the same time, and also we can change the theme of this mode. When you click on the screen once, you can also adjust brightness level. So yeah, that's all. Few tips for the OPPO F23 camera. Hope you like it.